Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two innovative mini washers, the Sangukiro and the Grinchat. Both machines are designed for convenience, but they have unique features that set them apart. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The Sangukiro portable washing machine stands out with its integrated spin basket, allowing users to effectively remove excess water after washing. This feature significantly reduces drying time, making it a practical choice for those who need quick results. In contrast, the Grinchat model lacks a spin function, meaning users must manually wring out clothes and air dry them, which can be less convenient for busy individuals. When it comes to sanitation, the Grinchat portable washing machine offers a unique advantage with its blue light decontamination technology. This feature ensures a deeper clean, especially for sensitive items like baby clothes. On the other hand, the Sangukiro provides a standard wash without any advanced sanitation features, making it less effective for users concerned about hygiene. In terms of user experience, the Sangukiro features a simple push-button control, which is straightforward and easy to use. In contrast, the Grinchat utilizes a modern touch control panel, providing a sleek and intuitive interface. While both controls are effective, the choice may come down to personal preference regarding usability and design. In conclusion, both the Sangukiro and Grinchat portable washing machines offer unique benefits tailored to different user needs. If you prioritize drying efficiency, the Sangukiro is the better choice with its spin basket. However, if sanitation is your main concern, the Grinchat's blue light technology provides an added layer of cleanliness. Whichever you choose, both machines are excellent options for compact laundry solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.